Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel where I talk about many different ways to make money online. If you're interested in these videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any new opportunities. Today, I will talk to you about a mobile app called Money SMS to make money receiving text messages. This app is 100% passive because once installed, you can completely forget about it. The first important thing to know is that Money SMS only works on Android phones. Sorry for iPhone users, but this won't work for you. Here is my referral code where you will earn a 50 cents bonus when signing up. I will also put it in the description. In the app, it says the bonus is 25 cents. However, as you can see from this email I received when I requested my first payment, it clearly states the bonus is 50 cents when referring friends. In this video, I will quickly go through the installation process, show you the main different options of this app, tell you how much money you can expect to earn from my experience, show you my payment proof, and withdraw my current balance. To install Money SMS on your phone, click on the link in the description below. This link is the demo app available on the Play Store to register. Simply follow the instructions, then sign up using the referral code I put in the description to get your 50 cents bonus. Now they will show you how to install the actual Money SMS app. It might say that it can harm your phone because the official app is not available on Google Play. But don't worry about this because I've been using this for a few months and never had any issues. Just allow the permissions required and install the app. Once installed, you can log in using your phone number and password. Then you should get your first text within a minute and have a total of 52 cents in your balance. I currently have €3.88 because I have been using this app for a little while now. So I am now on the homepage of Money SMS where you can see how many texts you received in the last 30 days. As you can see, I've received 45 texts and for each one they send you, you will get paid 2 cents. Most days, I only receive one text, but there are days where I have received 5 or even 8 texts in a single day, which means I earn up to 16 cents in one day. Here is the most recent text I've received from Money SMS this morning. These are usually some types of verification codes. You can just ignore them or delete them straight away because you don't need to read any of the text they send you. At first, I was deleting those texts each time I would receive one, but then I realized it wasn't really necessary because I don't really use text anymore. I will eventually remove them all at once at some point, but so far, I don't mind having them here. In the balance section, you can see I withdrew €2.02 back in September 2020. The minimum withdrawal amount is only €2. I currently have €3.88 and I will withdraw that amount in a minute. So now I will go to the settings and here you can change the language of the app, get your referral code to invite your friends so they can earn 50 cents when signing up and not 25 like they mention here. You will also earn 30% from their withdrawals. As I showed you a minute ago, I didn't make any money from referrals yet because the users didn't request any payment yet. And the most important part is the payment method, where you can choose how you want to get paid. I personally use PayPal, but you can also get paid via Bitcoin and web money. So now I will go back to the balance section and withdraw my current earnings. Then just tap on withdraw again, and that's it. My request is now in pending. If you go back to the settings, they tell you there that the payments take up to 48 hours. So I paused the video earlier and I have just noticed that I received an email from Money SMS about 19 minutes ago. I will now log into my PayPal account to see if they have already transferred the money. And as you can see, it's already there. They clearly state that it can take up to 48 hours to receive the payment, so be patient if you don't receive it on the same day like I did. I am currently testing other passive income apps like this one, and I will post more in the next few weeks, so don't forget to subscribe not to miss any new opportunities. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next week.